Hi, this is Scott Varilek, Varilek Trading in Sioux Center, Iowa. Quite a weaker, kind of a week for the cattle futures. Trading on the red side and feeling a little bit sluggish. So let's try to dive in what we think is happening. So we've got all ag commodities on Thursday down. So there is part of that. We've got, maybe some change in administration fears. We got a stronger dollar. Just some uncertainty that's happening. The stock market's maybe correcting from its really, record high push, and boxes slipping a little bit. So it's just a little bit of nerves at some high prices, and now the cash has started to drift just a little bit. And one of the reasons, the biggest reason I think, would be these carcass weights. We've seen how heavy these weights have gotten. We've got cheap feed and we've got good growing conditions, and that's doubling up. We've got feeder calf prices that are coming in really hot. That cash market is doing well, and these guys are electing to just put some more weight on what they have. And we've had a willing packer to let us do so to try to make sure that they get the pounds because we have less numbers out there. So we're maybe coming to a point to where maybe the Packers are going to use that to try to get some leverage back. And that's kind of the shift that I think is happening, because now that everybody's making them big, suddenly it's okay. Starting to bucket a little bit. That's the first time I've really heard that. Some complaints from some too big of cattle coming. And I think there's quite a few of them around. So that's what I think why we're slipping on the cash, and it's just my opinion. But if the Packer wants to use that as leverage, then that's what they're going to do here going forward. So I had some 185 cash and then down to 184. Did hear of some 183 as well. So it's definitely on the softer side, and that's about right where the futures are. These futures at 183. We're kind of going to start to lose that positive basis a little bit. And if we start to slip there, yeah, that's when the North starts trading under the South. That means we're probably not current, because there should be no reason our northern high-quality cattle should be worth less than what they are in the South. Just go to South into Texas and go look at what cattle are on feed. They're not what we feed up here in the North. So I think that's telling me the story there. Questions? Call us. Varilek in Sioux Center, Iowa. The risk of loss in trading futures and/or options is substantial.